said that I'm rocking it out all summer till the night and day. I'm swagging up before I start getting money, I've been paid. She want a tattoo on her ass, I said go for it a little bit. Everybody left their house, so I'm locked in the booth. Groupie niggas in the club, tryna stay in this view. I can't get attached, I'm still barely over you. She too basic, I'm tryna take a Bottega and such. They all hate me like I got a bounty on me or something. Put his shoes in the closet, I don't got no space, bitch. I don't got no space. She want whip in the range, whip in the range. She gon' rage cause she built for the young slum kid. They told me that I would fall off when I'm happy as shit. Still never falling off, you can't even say the same. No, my brody never changed, but I'm thinking different things. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. She too basic, I'm tryna take a search. I said that I'm rocking every summer till the night and day. Bitch, I swear again, never before I started getting money, I'm getting paid. She want a tattoo